Geospatial data and its related applications have gained importance in modern times. This is evident from the fact that every day as new possibilities arise in the field, new startups are also flourishing. In view of this, the Government of India made several major policy changes in the geospatial sector some time ago. To discuss these changes and the possibilities and problems arising from them, a national conference on geospatial policy for national development was recently organized in New Delhi. Union Minister of Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, Dr. Jitendra Singh was present at the event, along with the Secretary of the Department of Science and Technology, Dr. S. Chandrasekhar, Secretary of the Department of Space, Dr. S. Somanath, Chairman of the Geospatial Data Promotion and Development Committee, Shri R. S. Sharma, and officials from various departments. Addressing the conference, Union Minister Dr. Singh said that opening up the space sector for private participation in 2020, Drone Amendment Rules 2022, and the National Geospatial Policy 2022 will together give new power to India.
And this geospatial technology is something which is going to make our task easier for this. And therefore, congratulating you once again for having organized this program. I'm sure now we will be able to meet the challenge of living up to this new scenario. We talk of 2047, but I believe we would be much ahead even before that. The way we are moving, and India now one of the fastest moving and fastest growing economy of the world, we are actually making use of many of the technologies not being made use in other countries because they don't have such kind of heterogeneity, they don't have such kind of requirement that we have. We have a large ocean, 7,500 kilometers long.
Under the new geospatial policy, Digital India Land Record Modernization Program, Swamitva Scheme and Amrut Scheme to enable state urban local bodies to prepare their city master plan, infrastructure planning, utility planning, the security and management of environment-sensitive areas, encroachment monitoring, geospatial governance and municipal development have been facilitated.
We also have seen in this sector unicorn, which is welcome to all of us. I'm sure many more companies will come forward. While the institutional framework is in place now and GDPDC committee is also in place, we do believe that the guidance what we get from this committee will enable us to refine and also go forward. The private sector which collects, collates and develops geospatial data has to actively now involve in the process of implementation of the policy for strengthening the geospatial infrastructure of the nation.
This is a great occasion now. The geospatial policy has been one of the best that we ever imagined to come. And timed with that is the opening of the space sector and also new policies which enables the digital transformation of India is coming forward. I think this is something that all of us have been waiting for. Now, timed appropriately when the new generation of India is taking forward this journey of converting India to a digital India.
Geospatial information has an important role in fields ranging from agriculture and environmental protection to electricity, water, transportation, communications and health. Apart from having a huge revenue generation potential, the newly amended geospatial policy will also open huge employment opportunities in the country. The Survey of India will provide a baseline for the collection and collation of data by the private sector to strengthen geospatial infrastructure. The new policy will also help support India's move towards self-reliance.